Episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
It's Michael. The puppies are going around. Ginger, Teddy, and I'm Cindy, and this is my little kitchen. As you guys probably used to it, and it's Sunday. It is August 26th.
That's right.
And it's almost 100 degrees outside, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning, directly from Austin, Texas. Now today, if you guys see all this, sometimes in the supermarket they have these bags where you see it says here ends and pieces of bacon fat and pieces of bacon. So what I did was, it was 3 pounds. This is very cheap. So the reason I do this, and I wanted to show you guys so you guys can do the same thing as me. You can get it at the supermarket. That only cost me $5. Okay? But when they put them on sale, it's half of this, like for $2. So what I did, I separated all the meat, which is here. And I'm gonna put it in the oven, and you know, so we can have some bacon, us and the family. And then with the fat, I'm gonna put it here in the front. I'm gonna put it on low, because that's how you put it. And I'm gonna put the lid up. So all this fat is gonna turn into oil, and with that grease with that grease is good, because it has flavor of bacon. You can cook rice, you can fry chicken, you can stew meat, you can barbecue with that fat. You can put it on stews. You can put it on anything that you want, and it's going to it's going to bring it to another territory.
That's right.
And whatever it is that you're
Another level up.
Exactly. Because it's going to have that bacon taste.
All right.
So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put it on low.
Yes.
And I'm going to let it all that cook, and everything is going to
ferment.
And while is melting the fat, because you can see the big fat, and has little pieces of meat.
That's right.
Those little pieces I couldn't take off and put there, because after they cook, they're gonna turn like smaller than what they are.
That's right.
You know. So as it cooks, I'll have Michael be taking little videos of it.
That's right.
Of this melt, and me taking whatever little pieces. I'm gonna scoop them out.
Scoop it up.
With what do you call these? I keep on forgetting.
The strainer spoon.
No, they're my strainer spoon, but it has a name to it. Can't remember. From the top of my
strainer.
head. With this, I'll be scooping out the pieces of like real flesh. You see, and then the fat, I'm gonna leave it there, because we're gonna be doing some good food next week with that fat. But for now, I'm gonna let you guys go with the flow. I'm gonna be back like in half hour, okay? And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook. Look us up on Google Plus, on Pinterest, on
Patreon.
I'm forgetting Patreon. You can just
and
scroll
Tumblr.
down. And if you want to donate $1 or not to our channel, we welcome you to do that. And if not, it's okay. We still love you. You know.
Still gonna be doing these videos.
Also, we have I have a link down below that you can click if you have the little fur animals, your dogs and your cats and your birds. I have a great site that is called lifesabundance.com/for-all.
That's all together.
Directly to my link. And in that link, when you open that, it will show you everything that they sell, how they sell it, if you want to become a member automatically with the dog food and all that. So we'll be right back in like half hour or so you guys can see how all that fat, and meanwhile in between I'll be showing you guys how that fat, you see it's already kind of like, you see how it's sweating?
Yes.
And you see that baby water there? That's not water, that is from the fat.
Sweat it up.
But you got to have it on low, because you don't want it to burn. So we can get all that grease. So with that, I'll see you back in half hour, so we can see that grease from ends and pieces of bacon, and grease that we can use to cook. Love you all. Okay, so this is, you see how the fat, you see? But we're gonna get this all down, and we'll be right back. I'm gonna strain this, because there's a lot of oil. But I gotta keep on cooking this. See. It's very hot.
Don't try this at home if you're not a professional cook.
Don't, because you will. Hold on. This is an easier way like this. So, see? I'm gonna put the lid. Yeah, because that way we can hold the bacon, right? The fat. And I'm gonna still keep on cooking it. Look at all the oil, guys, that I got. So what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna go on break again. We're gonna pick up your mic. And put this here, and we're gonna continue to cook it. Do you see? We might save some nice crunchy bacon from there, right, Mike?
That's right.
All right. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, guys, and we'll be right back. back. So I want to show you. See, this is all the oil, all the fat, and I put it through from the pot that I was, Michael, come over here, that I was cooking the bacon, and I strain it with my strainer through there. So now what I'm gonna do with this fat is, this is the bacon, you see, that survived from that. Look at these big chunk pieces of meat, huh?
Oh yeah.
And it's still hot. I'm gonna take, sorry guys, but that means I'm good. Bacon and those other pieces of meat that survived from it, from the fat. You know something? So what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna chop it up and I'm gonna put it in a jar. And what I do with that, I can use it in stews, I can use it in salads, Cobb salads. It's a whole bunch of stuff that you can put bacon, egg, and cheese in the morning. Anything that you want, you can do. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill that one. I wish I had another like big mason jar, but I don't. So I'm gonna fill this one, you see, with oil. See my fat, I think that's, well, I think this is gonna be enough, Michael. Yep, look. Because I only have that little bit, so what do you think? Well, we wanna save this little bit too. Because I'm gonna tell you, see that little bit? I can cook a lot of stuff with that little bit extra there. And that's it, and with that, I made a whole bunch of bacon fat that I can cook with. This is the other extra. And some bacon that I'm gonna cut and chop it up. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. So you guys can go to any supermarket and look for the pieces and ends of the bacon. They always have it. And you can save a lot of money and a lot of stuff. I just make me some cooking oil right here for stews, for beef. I can fry stuff with it. I mean, I can put it in anything that I want and it will give it a kick to the food and bring it to a different level. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, on Google Plus, on I keep on forgetting.
Tumblr.
And
Twitter.
I already said Twitter. I said all that. So anyway, guys, you guys know what to do. You want some dog food? Go to lifeabundance.com down below. Click it if you want to donate. You gotta go to Patreon down below and click it, and you can donate. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to do that. You can continue to look us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following us. Thanks for being there for all of us. And I hope this will help you with something in your cooking of every day. I'll let you go. It's Sunday. Peace out. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. And I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Love.